Let us discuss chapter number 15, probability. So, we have heard every day some statements that is, it will probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass the test. Then, most probably, someone will stand in the first in the annual exam. Okay, then chances are high that a price of petrol or diesel will go up. Then there are 50-50 chance of India winning the toss, like that. Okay, so here the word probability, doubt, or most probably, chances, etc. used for that shows that uncertainty, that is chances are occurring the events. It can occur. It will probably rain today means it may rain or may not rain. No, so the we are talking about the probability in maths. That is, probability actually starts with gambling. So whenever we are discussing in maths, that everything will be fair and fine. That is, if you are taking a coin, that coin should be a fair coin, that is without any damage. If you are taking a die, that die should be without any damage. That is, if you are, we know that if you throw a die, there are 6 numbers starting with 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 numbers are there. Okay, so if you are throwing a die, a chance of getting any of the 6 numbers is equal. Okay, the same way when you are throwing a die, tossing a coin. So coin, you see, this one is head of the coin and the number return is called tail of the coin. So a chance of getting head or tail, that is same. No, if you are tossing a coin, if it is a fair coin without any damage, a chance of getting head or tail, that is same, that is 1/2. Total outcome is what? One is head, another one is tail. So 2 outcomes are there. Among that one, surely one will occur. Like that, if you are taking a die, if you are throwing a die, any number between 1 to 6 can come. Okay, so that is proven. No, if the die is not damaged one, a fair one. Now, when we are discussing the problems, so let us, we have to know certain things. So we are going to discuss that one. If you are taking a deck of cards means a card containing 52 cards. Okay, 52 cards, and we know that 2 colors they are, that is these 2 blacks and these 2 red. Okay, 52 is divided into 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Okay, now among this 26 and 26, it is again divided into 26 is divided into 13 and 13. Okay, so look at this one. This is called spade cards. This design is called spade cards, and this one is called club cards. This design club, and this one is heart, and this one is diamond. So diamond and heart are red in colors, and spade and club are black in colors. Now look at this one. In that 13 cards, one will be written A. Okay, one will be written A. That is called ace card, ace, ace card. Okay, this a is written there, that is called ace card. So how many ace cards will be there? 4 ace cards will be there. Okay, 4, 1 2 3 4, each design 1 1. So 4 ace cards will be there. Then numbers from 2 to 10 will be there. Numbers from 2 to 10, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, then jack, okay, queen and king. That means these three are called face cards. Face cards or cards, you can say another name. So usually in your textbook it is used face cards. So when we are discussing the problems, so when it comes face card, that means J, Q and K, that is jack, queen and king. Okay, now so how many ace cards will be there? 4 ace cards will be there in one pack of one deck of cards. Okay, total number of cards in a deck will be 52, and in that one 4 cards will be ace. And how many face cards will be there? Here 3, here 3, here 3 and this one 3. That means total 12 face cards will be there. Okay, 12 face cards will be there. Understood? Now how many spades cards will be there? 13. No, this design is called spade, and this one is called club, heart and diamond. Each will be 13 13 13 like that. Okay, now these are the things you have to remember before solving the problems. Now when you are tossing a coin, that two possibility, only head and tail. When you are throwing a die, 6 possibility, that is the numbers from 1 2 then 3 4 5 and 6 numbers will be there. When you are discussing the cards, total 52 cards will be there. 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Black cards will be spade and club, and red cards will be heart and diamond. And among that one, 4 ace cards will be there, and total 12 face cards will be there. Okay, hope you understood that one. Then we can discuss that problems given in the textbook. Now probability of an event. So probability of an event is equal to number of trials favorable to event divided by total number of trials. Okay, so here example 1, it is given a coin is tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies: head 455, tail 545. Now look at this, total one is 100, total number of trials 1000, and in that one probability of getting head is equal to 455 divided by total number, that is 1000. Okay, so it will be 0.455. Now probability of tail will be, how many times tails comes, that is 545. divided by 1000. So it is 0.545. Now second question, second example. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times. So total 500 times it is tossed. We get two heads 105 times, one head 275 times, no head 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. So probability of getting two heads, that is equal to 105 by 500. Now probability of getting one head, how many times one head came? That is 275 out of 500. Now again, no head, probability of getting no head, that means tail only, that is 120 by 500. Okay, so probability of any event, that is equal to number of trials favorable to that event divided by total number of trials, it will come. Now let us discuss third example. A die is thrown 1000 times with a frequency for the outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 given in the following table. Now probability of getting each outcome. So 1 comes 179 times, 2 150 times, 3 157 times, then 4 149, 5 175 and 690. Total 1000 times it is rolled. Okay. Now probability of getting 1. Probability of getting 1 is 179 by 1000. Now probability of getting 2. How many times 2 came? 150. 150 by 1000. Now probability of getting 3. 157 by 1000. Now probability of getting 4. 149 by 1000. Then getting 5. 175 by 1000. And probability of getting 6 is 190 divided by 1000. Okay, so that is already question. In the question it is given there, so it is easy for you to find out. Now example 4. On one page of a telephone directory, there were 200 telephone numbers. The frequency distribution of their unit place digit, that is for example in the number 2582853, the unit digit is 3, is given. Now, without looking at the page, the pencil is placed on one of these numbers, that is number chosen at random. What is the probability that the digit in its unit place is 6? Okay, Now look at that table as given. Digit 0 occurs 22 times. Then 1 occur 26. 2 occur 22. Then 3 22. 4 20. 5 10. 6 14. 7 28. 8 16. And 9 20. So it is total is 200. Okay, in that one table, how many times 6 came? 6 came only 14 times. So 14 by 200. So probability of getting digit 6 is 14 by 200. Okay, the table it is given 6 came 14 times out of 200. Now example 5, the record of a weather station shows that out of the past 250 consecutive days, its weather forecasts were correct in 175 times. So total 250 days, and in that one 175 times it came correct. Now first question is, what is the probability that on a given day it was correct? Probability that on a given day it was correct. So how many times it came correct? That is 175 out of 250. So the probability of that one is 175 divided by 250. Now second question is, what is the probability that it was not correct on a given day? Out of 250, 175 days it was correct. So it was incorrect or not correct on how many days? 250 minus 175, that is 75 days it was incorrect. So probability that in a given day it was not correct is 75 by 250. Okay. Now example 6. A tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered before a tire need to be replaced. Now it is given less than 4,000, 20, 4,000 to 9,210, 9,001 to 14,325, more than 14,445. So first question is, it will need to replace before it covered 4,000 kilometer. So total 1,000 cases are there. Total 1,000 cases are there. Now it was question first one is, it will need to replace before it was covered 4,000 kilometer. So 4,000 kilometer, how much it will come? Less than 4,000, that is 20 by 1,000. So probability of replacing the tire before 4,000 is equal to 20 by 1,000. 20 by 1,000. Now it will last more than 9,000. Second question is it will last more than 9,000. So more than 9,000 comes in 325 plus 445. So 325 plus 445 770. So probability of replacing the tire (9,000) last more than 9,000. So it will be 770 by 1000. Now it will need to replace after it has covered somewhere between 4,000 and 14,000 kilometers. So in between 4,000 and 14,000, how many are there? 210. Then 3 plus 325. 210 plus 325. So 535 are there. So third question, probability of replacing the tire between 4,000 to 14,000, that is equal to 535 by 1000.